In this video, I will show you how to restore Apple Health data on a new iPhone. Start by opening the Apple Health app to confirm its setup. Then, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. At the top, tap on your Apple ID or iCloud account. Next, go into iCloud. If you see saving is paused, tap See All. Scroll down and tap on the Health app. Finally, tap the toggle switch to turn it on, and your health data will begin restoring from iCloud onto your new iPhone. Pro tip: give it a few minutes depending on how much data you have, and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi so everything restores smoothly. And that's how to restore Apple Health data on a new iPhone.